Stars are born from sound. You heard that right. Out in deep space, there are these massive clouds of gas just floating around. But here's where it gets wild. Invisible sound waves ripple through them, like bass you can feel but never hear. These vibrations squeeze the gas tighter and tighter, compressing it until something magical happens. A star ignites. Think about that for a second. The universe is literally humming new stars into existence. Every star you see in the night sky, it was born from a cosmic song you'll never hear. Space isn't silent. It's singing stars to life. If that gave you chills, smash that subscribe button for more mind-bending space facts.